Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's makeup tutorial I'm gonna show you how to do this very glamorous makeup look. This is very easy to do and everybody can recreate this look. So to begin, I'm gonna use a very good eyeshadow base. This is one of my favorites by P.Louise, and this is the shade 0.5. As you can see, it's a very light shade, so I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid using a concealer brush, and this is just to stick the shadows in the place and make them a little more vibrant. But for this look, we're going to use all neutral eyeshadows, so it kind of doesn't matter too much for the colors, but it stays on for a lot of time and it's so good. So I'm gonna use for this look the 27 palette by Melt Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. Here we have a lot of warm shades. So to begin, I'm gonna use the lightest warm shade for transition. So I'm gonna apply this shade into my crease with circular motions and a blending brush. Next, I'm gonna use the gel eyeliner. Here I'm using Wicked by Sigma. This is my favorite gel liner ever. And also I'm gonna use a brush. This is a eyeliner brush, also by Sigma. All the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty, so you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. And I'm gonna use this gel liner to create a kind of a cat eyeliner in the other corner, but I'm gonna pull it to my crease as well. And also what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply a little tiny bit in the lower lash line to create this effect. And again, with no more product, just what is left in the brush, I'm gonna kind of blend to the eyelid. And right on top, I'm gonna apply the darkest brown eyeshadow from the palette with a small blending brush, just to fade this color, creating depth and dimension in this makeup look. So I'm gonna be adding this color a little at a time because I don't want this color to appear too much in this makeup look. I want just to use it to blend this kind of makeup look to create more dimension and a beautiful gradient of colors. I'm gonna use this color in this area, in my outer corner, and also in the lower lash line a little bit to smudge the eyeliner that I used before. And now I'm gonna use the same color that I used in my transition shade. I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid with the same blending brush, and I'm gonna blend this color very well into the darkest brown eyeshadow that I used here in the other corner, so it will give me this amazing transition effect. Also, I'm gonna use what is left in the brush in the lower lash line just to smudge it out a little more and make sure everything is blended. And to highlight the inner corners, I'm gonna use the Love Light Prismatic highlighter by Too Faced Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use this color because here, as you can see in this palette, I don't have any color to match with this makeup look, so I'm gonna use this kind of champagne shade to highlight, but you can use any highlighter that you want. And now you can use this makeup look like this, all matte, or you can just apply a glitter right on top. I'm gonna use Beige by OCC Cosmetics, but I really like this color, but I don't think this is beige. For me, this is more a copper shade. So I'm gonna apply with a little bit of glue all over the eyelid, and I'm gonna apply this product with a concealer brush to make it easier, as you can see here. And just to complete the eyes, I'm gonna add a little bit of gel liner just on the roots of the lashes. And now to finish the eyes, you can use lots and lots of mascara, or just apply your favorite fake lashes and use the mascara to stick the natural lashes in the fake ones. I love to use fake lashes, so I'm gonna apply my favorite ones. But this looks a little more simple yet very glamorous and looks so beautiful with or without fake lashes. So feel free to use just mascara if you want. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And I will see you later in the next